Which scheduler actually saves you time? Repurpose.io or Metricool? Let's settle this debate. Before we dive in, there's a special discount link in the description below that'll save you money on whichever tool wins this battle. Trust me, you'll want to grab that. Now, I've been testing both of these for weeks, and honestly, one of them made me question my life choices. Let me explain why. So here's the deal. Repurpose.io is basically the content recycling king. You create one piece of content, and it magically transforms it across multiple platforms. Think of it as your content's personal stylist, making sure it looks good everywhere it goes. Metricool, on the other hand, is more like your analytical best friend who also happens to schedule posts. It's got these gorgeous analytics dashboards that make you feel like a data scientist. But here's where it gets interesting. Repurpose.io literally saved me 3 hours last week by automatically turning my YouTube video into Instagram posts, Twitter threads, and LinkedIn articles. I felt like I had a personal assistant. Metricool's strength is different, though. Its scheduling interface is so smooth, I actually enjoyed planning my content calendar. Plus, those analytics? They're addictive. I found myself checking engagement stats like social media notifications. The verdict? If you're drowning in content creation, Repurpose.io is your lifeline. If you need killer analytics with solid scheduling, Metricool wins. Either way, grab that discount link below before you decide. Your future self will thank you.